Whoa! Okay, cool. Another one. Today I make chicken salad sandwiches. I hope you guys enjoy. It's actually smoked barbecue chicken salad. So, yeah, go watch the video! First thing here, I just have 4 celery sticks for 4 chicken breasts. So that's how you uh, put it as a ratio, I guess. Then I'm just going to chop the celery sticks into just chunks of celery. If you want more celery throughout the entire thing, chop them smaller. If you don't really mind, just chop them just straight down the middle. So I just did that for all of them. I did chop up the leaves and the stem and the end and everything, but I just made sure that it was all washed so there was no dirt or anything in it. Then I have half a white onion and I just diced that up. Just regular pieces, I guess. Just and you want to add that to your bowl. Then over here I just have red wine vinegar. I just added about a quarter cup of red wine vinegar and then about half to a cup of raisins. Now here, as you can see, I just have a gigantic barbecued smoked chicken breast that we made for 4th of July, and I'm just peeling off the skin. You do want to peel off the skin. You do not want that in your chicken salad because it's just such an odd texture. So you want to peel all of it off, make sure everything is just gone from that, because trust me, I've done it before. It's not pleasant at all because you have to go through and pick all of it out, and it's disgusting. How you get rid of it, you just want to just dig your thumb in and just rip off all the meat on the opposite side of the bone. It should just come right off. As you can see, it's just peeling right off. I ripped this big piece apart just to make sure there weren't any bones or anything. I don't know, this is the first time I've done it with chicken breast. I usually do it with thighs or drumsticks or whatever, but you know, it works with any piece. Then, as you can see, I'm just slicing it up into strips, and when I'm all done with that, I'm going to slice it horizontal, or just flip it, okay? And then I just chop it into little chunks like this. And that's what you want to do with all of your pieces of chicken. Then I'm just adding it to the bowl and mixing everything up. I didn't show it, but I don't know why, but I just added about a cup of mayo in there and some salt and pepper. You season the salt and pepper to your liking. There's not really a measurement, but see, as you can see, I add mayo. There we go. And you just want to make sure everything is mixed up. I switched to a spatula near the end because the fork wasn't really doing the right job. As you're mixing, you want to test it out, see if it needs more salt or pepper, if you want more celery, if you want more chicken, if you want more just anything, you just want to try it then. This is honestly so good because everything works together so well. You have the sweetness from the craisins, a crunch from the celery, the chicken has a very nice texture, and it's all smoky and barbecued, and it's honestly delicious. As you can see, I wanted more craisins because like it makes it 10 times better. So as you can see here, I just put it on 2 slices of wheat toast, and I just toasted it in the name, and with some lettuce at the bottom, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Yeah. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you really did enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.